I recently replaced all of my fluorescent bulbs with these LED ones. It was a really good deal, and you can actually set all the different Kelvin color uh, temperatures. Goes from 27, 3000, 3500, 4000, 5000. And I'll show that in the stand in a moment. But what I'm going to do, and this one's clearly not in the best of shape, I'm going to pop it open and see what parts I can salvage. So I'm just going to hook up the LED ones to show what it's like. So here is the LED one. That's a yellow setting. The next setting, oops, next setting, last setting. And I use this for my bench now. Yeah, I probably don't want to do this at home, but I'm going to anyhows. I'm just going to take this apart. These are just pop together. I guess I'd probably use my hand. I'd recommend gloves, but I don't do what I tend to recommend. Okay. I put down the paper towel in case I break things. Yeah, look at that inside. Filthy. Okay, let me check the lighting on this. Had to adjust my lighting. This was not coming in. Everything in this thing's dark. But it's got the one component that I really wanted out of here. I wanted the toroid. Because I'm going to be wrapping some jewel thieves. You can see this thing's taken a bit of abuse in here from heat. That component looks like it's being fairly toasty. And that's the... if I can see it. When I snip this out I can get at it. The capacitors I wouldn't even think of using. Everything inside of here has been exposed to a lot of heat. But that's the guts of it. And I will keep this so that I can put it back together, kind of, so I can dispose of it properly. I may have mentioned that already. So it's now time to get at this part. Doesn't show too well, but this is probably why it died. It's got a broken wire. So I'm just going to snip all those wires and take this off. So if you take a close look, you notice how it moves around. It's just this cement or glue that they've used has actually broken. The tube is still intact, so no mercury got out. And here's the underside of that board. Come on. There we go. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. There we go. That's better. I might be editing this a bit. So what we have here is the rectifying circuit. It's a MB10F. Looks like a diode there, another diode, some surface mount. Oh, let's go see if we can... even with adjusting all the lights, I still can't see that one too clearly. But now, cut out some parts. While taking it apart, I noticed on this one here, where the inductor, it actually is separated from the track. So another fail point. So I got the piece that I wanted out of it. It's a toroid. It's about 9 millimeters diameter with an inside diameter of 4-ish to 5-ish. And I'll be wrapping this into Jewel Thief. For the rest of it, garbage. But as I say, I will put it all back together, dump all the parts in there, and stick it in the recycle place. And the part that got toasty, let's see if you can see it. 1, 2, 3, DA. Don't know which part. Don't care. If there's that much toast around it, yeah, don't want it. I might pull out the transformer here also and desolder it. And this inductor here, I might pop out also. So that's what's inside one of these. The rest of the surface mount is so dirt cheap, you don't want to be taking them out of something that got that hot. Have a good day. And the final haul.